What's up everyone, this is Huram from iGuessWell. Hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, I'm going to be installing what a lot of people do not install on their Teslas, especially the Cybertruck. So there is this front license plate that I have installed and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the Tesla Cybertruck comes with everything that you need to mount the front license plate, and especially in Texas, you have to have front license plate. A lot of people think that they don't need to, but it's actually illegal. You gotta have front license plate. So it comes with the mount. With the new Cybertruck, you can see there are three holes that will go here at the front, and next to it there is the camera. So you have to take off that cover first, and there are three screws that are available to mount, and you will need a pry tool. Make sure you use something really light and gentle because the plastic trim on Tesla is really delicate. So I'm gonna just pry like this, and once I have some coverage there, I'm just gonna hold it from my fingers and just pull it out. So that's how gently you can remove this, and it just snaps off so easily. And you're gonna see three screws there underneath that is provided with the mount kit that comes with the Tesla. And yeah, pretty easy job to do that. And you can see all that electrical wiring there if you are mounting the front light bar that I have seen a couple of people doing that. Also, I have all the accessory link for the Cybertruck that I use in the description if you guys want to buy. There's Black Friday sale going on, so make sure to check that out. But we're gonna place this mount here, and with the help of these three screws that come with the mount, you just gonna have to use the Phillip head screwdriver and get them right there, and you can see that it is installed. It's super easy, but I'm gonna walk you through something that I noticed when I started driving. So that recorded clip is later on because I was having issues with the mounted this plate because the camera is next to it and it is pretty wide camera. Now you guys have seen that the front camera and then the license plate is so close. So this is what happens when you are on autopilot. It's gonna be utilizing the front camera, but see right here, the camera is so wide because it is the wide angle camera, so that you can get that parking assist, and it is actually looking forward when you're driving. So you're gonna have issues when you're using full self-driving because it's gonna think about some obstacle in the front. So I don't know how Tesla designed this front license plate. I have seen nobody having front license plate so far, but in Texas it is illegal to not have the front license plate. So I know a lot of people say on Tesla, a lot of people don't put it because cops don't say anything, but you gotta follow the law. So you gotta have the front license plate. You never know, one day cops gonna pull you over and you don't have the license plate, and you will be getting a warning maybe first time and then eventually a ticket. And more than that, actually it's more dangerous when there is this covering the camera view, because it's gonna think there is an obstacle. So I don't know, maybe they should have pushed it further in for the license plate to go in, so it won't hinder the visibility of the front camera. But just wanted to show you guys that this is the problem. So I haven't seen any Tesla with the front license plate. When they launched the car, it was without the front license plate. So I don't know what's going on, but somebody should have at Tesla checked it out before making that the mount that they have. Maybe they could have made the mount more slimmer so it would be pushed inside, but maybe it is the opportunity to for those companies who can make a flush mount for this so that it's pushed inside, so won't cover the front camera. So I wanted to show you guys this is what you will experience if you put the front license plate.